Rule 4. To find the particular integral, we should follow this rule 4. So here the rule 4 is whenever the right hand side function is of the form e power ax into v, that is the product of exponential function, then we have to use rule 4. The formula is 1 by f of d e power ax into v is e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. Just we have to take out the common as a exponential function, and then d is replaced with d plus a, so into v. But here v can be taken as either polynomial in x or trigonometric expression, so that to evaluate 1 by f of d plus a into v, as a rule 1 and 2 and 3. So once again, the formula is 1 by f of d e power ax into v is e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. Suppose there is e power minus ax, then 1 by f of d e power minus ax into v is e power minus ax 1 by f of d minus a into v. So case is known as the fourth case. The fourth case is about the product of exponential function. Problem is solve the d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus 4y equal to e power x into cos x. Now to solve the such a type of d whose homogeneous equation is d square minus 2d plus 4 of y equal to 0. Now the auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 4 equal to 0. Getting the roots of the auxiliary equation using the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. The roots are 1 plus or minus I root 3. So it is of the form conjugate complex roots, that is alpha plus or minus I beta. Here alpha is 1 and beta is root 3. Now CF is C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x whole bracket into e power alpha x. But what is alpha here? 1, and beta is root 3, that is e power x into C1 cos root 3x plus C2 sin root 3x whole bracket into e power x. It is complementary function. Now the particular integral formula is 1 by f of d right hand side function. But what is f of d here? D square minus 2d plus 4, and the right hand side of the function is e power x into cos x. Now it is look like 1 by f of d e power ax into v. Such case is known as rule 4. Now what about rule 4? Just we have to take the common as e power x, and then d is replaced with d plus a. But what is a here? Comparing with e power ax into v, here a is 1. So that is d is replaced with d plus 1. Now replacing d by d plus 1 and then simplifying the expression, we are getting d square plus 3. But now 1 by d square plus 3 cos x, it is look like a second case. That is the second case is for d square equal to minus 1. So putting d square equal to minus 1 plus 3. But what is minus 1 plus 3? 2. So that is e power x by 2 cos x. So it is the required particular integral, hence the complete solution. It is the addition of two solutions, that is complementary function and particular integral. The two solutions are added here, so which is the required complete solution. Now find the solution of the second order d, that is x d square minus 5d plus 6 of y is x e power 4x. Now the right hand side function is of the form e power x into v. For such case we have to use rule 4. So first we have to decide whether the problem is given to rule 1 or rule 2 or rule 3 or rule 4 or rule 5 or rule 5. Just here the problem is related to rule 4 because it is look like e power ax into v. Now to solve this type of equation, first we have to consider the homogeneous equation. The homogeneous equation is d square minus 5d plus 6 of y is 0. Now the auxiliary equation is m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0, whose two roots are m is 3 and 2. So clearly two roots are real numbers and distinct numbers. The CF is C1 e power 3x plus C2 e power 2x. Now the particular integral formula 1 by f of d f of x. So 1 by f of d f of x, just we have to operate with 1 by d square minus 5d plus 6 with x into e power 4x. So here we are using a general formula, that is 1 by d square minus 5d plus 6 can be written as d minus 3 into d minus 2. That is 1 by d minus 3 minus 1 by d minus 2 x e power 4x. Now operating with x e power 4x to each term. So here we are using general method formula, that is general method is 1 by d minus a function of x is e power ax integral of e power minus ax function of x dx. The general method formula is 1 by d minus a function of x is e power ax, that means e power 2x, integral of e power minus 2x, e power minus 2x, and function of x is x e power 4x into dx. But simplifying, we will get x e power x dx, but the integration for x e power x dx, taking integration by parts, x e power x minus e power x. Integral of x e power 2x dx formula is x e power 2x by 2 minus e power 2x by 4. That is, the integration is obtained here, taking integration by parts. And then simplifying, we'll get the particular integral. Thus, the required general solution is the addition of two solutions, that is the complete complementary function and particular integral. So it is the required general solution. Here we are using general method formula.